trace in. Okay, sit down. We've done a couple of Camp Discovery things. We're just getting ready to start. Okay, whoop, that's my timer. Okay, what's the sentence? Do you remember? Can you sing that note?
Note.
Question mark, okay? Can you? No, we're done with Camp Discovery. We did that. You like those, don't you? That was fun. Okay, can you? We're going to be doing some new ones in the camp.
C.
Uh-huh.
A. N. Face. U. I. O. U. Face. Not the bad.
Can you? La 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 la.
Not the bad.
No. Sing. La 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 la. Mark, sing. Come and sing. Sing that note. No, come here. Where are you going? He's going downstairs. He sat and did all the Camp Discovery just fine. Although he was doing a kind of a weird visual stim this morning. Looking through his eyes with his eyelids like half shut. And he's looking at something in particular. Oh, I think it's the sun coming through the trees in the backyard. Come on, Mark! Kind of cool here this morning. I'm gonna have to go flush him out. Where's that boy? You know what? Got some things downstairs anyway, so I might as well do that all at the same time here. Come on! Joshua's toys. Okay, come on. Mark. Come on. He's eating the gummy bears. Sit down. Okay. Sit down. Listen to the rest of the sentence.
Not the bad.
No, you sit down. Don't give me that look. Come on. Sing that note. Sing that note. Then a question mark. Go for it. Not yet. Back. Sing that note.
S. I. N. T.
Yeah?
L.
Space. No. No, we're not. Sing
I.
the.
T. S. E.
Ah.
Not the bad.
Last word.
Not the bad.
No, read it.
I can sing that song.
Can you sing that note? We're working on a long O. No, I can't give you a bear because you're not. No, Mark, get out of there. Can you sing that note?
N. A. N.
Note.
O.
Go back. Correct it. There you go.
O.
Go ahead. You're wiggly this morning. See if you took your medicine. I think you did. That's a good boy. Note. Keep going. Come on.
N.
O.
T.
That says not. We need one more letter. No, that was correct. It had a T. Put T. And then silent. Oh, shoot. Come on. I didn't know this had a low battery, too. All right. Try to sing
Not the
that.
bad.
You're not very focused today. Note. one more letter at the end.
Oh.
Note. Silent.
E.
Okay, put your E in there. Now put question mark. No, that was a comma. No, that was a period. Come on. He's not sitting down today. Come on. I really want to get these 3 sentences done. Let's go. Goofy. Go back. Back. You have to press the up key and then question mark. That's okay.
Kasama.
We'll go back. Gotta push the up key first and then question mark. No, that's exclamation. Up key?
Kasama.
No. Up key, now question mark. Yay! Got it! Ooh. Okay, next sentence. Dad has a green bone or hose in the yard. Green bone or hose. Mark, what's something that green that you have in the yard? You read it.
Dad has a game bones
Bone.
or hose in my heart.
Okay, which one is it? Oh man, he just not sit today. Come. Dad has a green bone or hose. Are bones green? Let me ask this question instead. What color are bones?
Bones.
What color are bones? Do you know?
Us.
Bones are
Hose.
what color?
Gummy bear.
They're gummy bear color. Come sit down. Bones are what color? Mark, come here. Bones are white. Do you hear me?
Height.
Bones are white, so it can't be a bone. Dad has a green.
Hose in my heart.
See the hose? Green hose. Now I want you to type. This is a big one. Dad has a green hose in the yard.
Heart.
You say it again.
Dad has a game hose in my heart.
Okay, say it again. Dad.
Gummy bear.
No, go ahead, say it. Mark, Dad has a green.
Bone.
No, not a bone. Try again. Dad has a green hose.
Yes.
Where is the hose?
At the heart.
In the yard. Okay, push return. Dad has.
D. A. D. O.
Dad. Keep going. You had it. Dad has a. No, come on. We're getting tired. Come on, sit down. Let's get it done. Has. We're running out of time.
No, yeah.
Has.
S. S. A. S.
A green.
D. R. E. E. N.
Hose in the yard.
S. O.
Good job.
Mm.
Silent.
E.
Dad has green hose.
Game house.
Where?
E.
No, just one E is fine. Now push space. Where is the hose?
In my heart.
In the yard. In.
I. S. God. I. A. R. D.
Good job. period.
Bear.
Ooh, finally. Okay, last sentence. This one's not so long. The stove or note is very hot.
Hot.
What's something that's hot? A stove or a note?
Note.
Mark, is a stove? What do you use a stove for?
Hot.
Is it hot?
Hot.
Use the stove for cooking?
Again.
Yes, it gets hot. So let's try it again. The stove or note is very hot. Which one's hot?
Not.
No, not a note. Look at the picture. We have to look at the no. Look at the picture. What is this?
Oven.
An oven. Okay. Stove. It's kind of the same thing. Okay. So here we go. The stove is
very hot.
okay. Say it again. The stove is very hot. You say it.
D.
All right.
S. E. S. Stove.
Stove. That's right.
S. T. O.
Yeah. The T. And then the O.
P.
The no.
V.
Stove.
E. Bear.
The stove.
Is.
Yes.
I. S. Face. Very.
Very. Good job. Very. V.
E. R. I.
Good job. Very.
S. Hot. S. O. T.
Yay. Period. We did it. We got through long O. Our long O words things. Okay, good job, Mark. You want to do some, want to do a little spelling zap? I think it's going to, our thing's going to ring in less than a minute. But you can try it. Maybe we can just do one. Okay, so I'm going to declare if he has 2 stars that is mastered. Here we go. Swim, jump, send, time, pink.
Swim.
Not the bad.
Okay, okay, no. Push okay. Because if you push snooze, it's going to go off again. Amen. Okay, swim. Let's go. And we got to get ready for school. And you didn't even eat your eggs. You have trouble with swim. I can't believe it because it's like one of your favorite things to do. Swim. Good job. Okay, good job.
Swim. Jump. J. U. M. P. Jump. Send.
S.
S. E.
Send.
N.
Good job. Yeah, those consonant blends
D.
can be tricky.
Send. Time.
Not the bad.
Time. Long I sound. We did that
T.
yesterday.
T.
R.
I.
M.
M.
E.
E.
Good job. That one.
Time.
Time. Pink.
Keep going. You're doing great.
P. I. N.
K.
K. Pink.
Okay. Okay, let me look at this. Okay, so set one. Okay. Okay, I have them all right. Okay. Well, it's time for school. Remember our thing went off and said it's time for school. So we're going to stop this today and we'll do some more tomorrow.